Welcome to StatLab StatCrunch videos. Today we're going to be talking about how to calculate our z-scores and find the percentile. So let's go ahead and take a look at the problem here. A certain brand of automobile tires has a mean life span of 32,000 and a standard deviation of 2,450. Assume the lifespans have a bell-shaped distribution, and they're asking us to go ahead and find out the z-scores for 34,000, 37,000, 31,000. Remember, a standard score or z-score represents the number of standard deviations a value x has from the mean. So let me see. A z-score is simply x minus mu over the standard deviation. So the x here are my values 34, 37, 31. The mu is the mean, and the mean is 32,000. The standard deviation is 2,450. Now let's go ahead and plug it in and find the z-score for 34,000. So z-score for 34,000 is 34,000 minus mu, which is 32,000 over standard deviation 2,450, and that's approximately, rounding off to 100th place, 0.82. And you're going to go ahead and do the same thing for 37,000. So if you're doing a 37,000, you're simply going to go ahead and replace this with 37,000. If you're doing for 31,000, you're going to go ahead and replace this with 31,000. That's one way of finding your z-scores. Now, to find your percentile, we're going to use the calculator. Alright, so I'm simply going to go ahead and open my StatCrunch. I'm going to go ahead to Stat, Calculators. Remember, it's a bell-shaped curve, so it's a normal curve. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plug in my mean. Remember, it's a normal curve. So my mean here is 32123. Standard deviation is 2450. And I'm looking for percentile for 29,550. So this is 29,550, everything less than that. So make sure your symbol is less than or equal to. I'm going to go ahead and click compute. So it's 0.1586, rounding off to the decimal place. When I round this off, this is approximately 0.16, and changing that into percentage, that is going to be approximately 16%. All right, let's check the next one. Now I'm trying to find for 34,450. 34,450. So this is delete. 34,450. Compute. 0.841, rounding off, that becomes 84%. Now you can also do that for 32,000. So I'm simply going to go ahead and delete that. 32123. Compute 0.5, which is 50%. This is going to give me the percent. Remember, the area under a normal curve simply gives me the percentage or the percentile. So that's what we're trying to look for. We're trying to find the area under the normal curve. Hope this helps.